dreams you want to achieve. I think that a couple months
Bro, how many more do you need for you to realize that no one is coming to save you? No one is coming to get you out of bed. No one is gonna chase your dreams for you. No one is gonna tell you to get a job. No one is gonna tell you to go to the gym. No one is gonna tell you to learn a new skill. Motivation is not real, bro. Motivation doesn't work when you're tired. Motivation doesn't work when you're lazy. Motivation doesn't care if you're hangover. What you need to learn is learn how to be disciplined every single day. You know exactly what you're supposed to do. The reason why people feel stressed all the time is because they have decisions to make and they're not making them. You must realize that 2024 is the creator economy. And if you're not creating videos, you're losing thousands of dollars every single day. If you want to learn how to build a personal brand that makes you money, comment the word viral down below and I'll send you a DM.